Memorize the sound of each of the tonic sulfur.
Chromatic scale.
Hi world, my name is Matthew Adama aka Bassmatics, and I want to welcome you to my channel once again, Bassmatics Online Bass and Music Lessons. In here we're doing strictly music learning. So if you're encountering this channel with this video, I want you to know that previously we've done learning the parts of the bass guitar, how to understand keys on the bass guitar, how to play the major scale, learning 3 ways of playing the major scale, how to warm up your fingers, how to tune your bass guitar, 2 major finger exercise for beginners. Today we are doing ear training. Ear training is a fundamental knowledge that everyone playing instrument or singing or doing anything around music ought to have. It's very, very broad, but we're going to touch a little part of it that can help you build yourself on your own. If you're ready, let's go. Learning the pronunciation of each note is very, very, very important and key. Memorize the sound of each of the tonic sulfur. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. Do, ti, la, sol, fa, mi, re, do. If you're having your do, now don't pronounce your so like so. So. No, that's me. So is wrong. But if you say so, you get it now. But if you say la ti, but in the case where you say la, that's not la, it's fa for this place. Remember, where you are standing determines what you can do around there. So if my root note, which is the do, is here, so my la should be la, not la. It's a wrong sound for the notes, right? If I want to do ti, I want to do do, I want to do re, ti, so, fa, mi, re, do. So it's very, very important to learn the sound of each of the notes.
Learn this chromatic scale. What is chromatic scale? Chromatic scale is the combination of all the scales because it has to do with one step movement from the root all the way to the octave and back. For example, able to memorize this, man, you'll be a genius, trust me. Maybe if you're on key C, for example, and you want to do like Minister Dunson to say, meet me on A. Your name is a strong tower, Jesus. To you belong all power, Jesus. Whenever I call your name, you make a way. Your name is a strong tower, Jesus. Meet me on A. I will call upon the Lord. I will call upon the Lord. Who is worthy to be praised. So the idea is, you're on C. You know that La is your A. So you assume position on this La. Do, La, do, La is now my new do. So I'm going to assume it as though I will call upon the Lord. So everything switches. That's how it works. Alright. Try this, but don't try it on stage. Learn it properly. Master it first before you go try it on stage. Alright, for singers. So let's do the practical right here. And you're going to drop them in the comment section. Practical 1. If here's my do, and I play without looking at my hand, because some of you know where the notes are, and I play, what note is that? Write it in the comment section. Number 2, if here's my root note, and I play, what note is that? Exercise number 3. If my root note is on C here, and I play, what note is that? If you can get it, I have something for you. So the first 10 people to get this correctly, without going to replay it, because it's going to be after I'm going to be checking the views 20 minutes after the video is uploaded. So the first 10 people to get this correctly will have something good from me, a gift. It's a way of doing a giveaway. I want you guys to learn this ear training exercise well. So learn the pronunciation of each note. Memorize it so that when you are in a position and anything shifts, you'll be able to tell where it's moving from or moving to. For example, if you are scoring a song and you hear syncopation, you'll be able to tell, okay, this is Sazila Doti Zitila. That's what they did. But if you're not familiar with this training, if you've not trained your ears, you're going to find it really difficult. Sometimes you pick wrong notes, you're trying to score until you grab your instrument. You can't score without your instrument. You should be able to score with your mind alone.
So if you learned something today, kindly drop a comment, tell us what you think about these tutorials, and then you can share with friends and family who are interested in learning. And for those who are interested in private learning, one-on-one class with me, feel free. The number is on the screen. Just send me a WhatsApp DM and then we can take it up from there. Okay, these videos are absolutely free, but one-on-one class is not free. Terms and conditions applies. All right, I love you. See you in our next class.